In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account removes your personal profile and your access to any workspaces tied to it. It's permanent, so if there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or handing off items before you proceed. You'll also need to be able to sign in to verify the deletion. Start by opening your browser and going to clickup.com. On the homepage, look for the login option and select it. On the Sign In screen, choose the method you normally use. In this walkthrough, I'll use Continue with Google. Click that, then pick the Google account that's connected to your ClickUp profile. Once authentication completes, you'll land inside ClickUp. From here, locate your account avatar, sometimes shown as your initial or a small profile image in the corner of the app. Click it to open the account menu and then choose Settings. This takes you to your Profile Settings page. On the profile page, scroll all the way to the bottom. There you'll find the option to delete your account. Click Delete Account. ClickUp will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently remove your account. To protect your data, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Enter your account password in the field provided. Even if you usually sign in with Google, this step ensures it's really you. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to finalize. After you confirm, the account deletion process begins. You'll be signed out, and you won't be able to log back in with this account. Keep in mind that content created in shared workspaces may be handled according to workspace policies, so make sure anything important has been transferred or archived by the appropriate workspace members ahead of time. A few tips to wrap up. If you manage a team or own a workspace, consider transferring ownership of spaces or critical automations before you delete your account, so your teammates don't lose access. If you only want to stop receiving notifications or reduce your footprint, you might adjust settings instead of deleting. But if you're certain, the steps we covered are the fastest way to fully remove your personal account. That's it. You've seen how to go to ClickUp, sign in, open your profile settings, scroll down to delete your account, verify with your password, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and take your time with the confirmation so you only delete the account when you truly mean to.